I'm Samuel Sevillano, director of GH Motion within GH, which is a family-owned company with more than 60 years in the market and one of the 5 main companies in the lifting businesses. Within my business unit, the most important advantage that we can offer to our clients is the efficiency in any movements that they need to do in their plants or their marinas, taking into account the boats or industrial elements that they need to move and all the surroundings that they need to couple with. We have been able to develop with Binary Soul this program, in which we are able to scale our machines in their plants or marinas, and then make them visual before they go for the offer. What we are trying to sell or the projects that they are having. It has been very useful for us, and the relationship with Binary Soul has been quite good. The speed has been quite good, and we have been developing quite different and quite difficult situations in industrial and marine surroundings, which is not simple, and the relationship and the agility of them has been quite good. We are quite happy.